farming and greenhouse, and I've got a couple of tips for you for this month. You can sow your onions from seed indoors, ready for planting out in April. Sow cauliflower, 2 good arid heirloom varieties, earlier curtain snowball, very good croppers. Sow them indoors now and they'll be ready for planting out in April, May. Lettuce in your greenhouse over winter, you need to keep them well watered. Arctic King and May Queen, these can still be sown this time as well through January, but keep them watered and don't get the water on the leaves. And my final top tip, get your peas sown, 2 to a pot, and get them in the cold frame ready for planting out as early as March. Keep calm and stay away from that Omicron.